Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Klarna to your Shopify store. First, make sure your Shopify store operates in a region that supports Klarna. Klarna is available in countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and several countries across Europe. If your store is based in a supported region, Shopify already includes Klarna directly inside the payment settings. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, click on Payments. This section controls all the payment methods available for your Shopify store. After opening the Payments section, look toward the right side of the page. You will see a button called See All Other Providers. Click on that button to continue. Now you will be taken to a page where you can search for additional payment providers. At the top of the page, you will see a search bar. Click inside the search bar and type Klarna. If Klarna is available in your region, it will appear in the search results right away. Once you see it, simply click on the provider and follow the setup steps shown on your screen. Shopify will guide you through connecting Klarna to your store. Currently, my region does not support Klarna, so it is not showing in my search results. But if your region supports it, you can install and activate it directly from this page. Thanks for watching.